India bloc which has been led by the Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and MP Mallikarjun Kharge have held the protest outside the parliament ahead of the monsoon session. The protest is being held regarding the Bihar SIR electoral voter revision issue. All right, it was in fact decided on yet another day of the monsoon session of the parliament as opposition gathers to hold a protest for yet another day outside the parliament on the Bihar Special Intensive Report revision issue. All eyes on the parliament monsoon session. Anand Singh, my colleague, joins me to share more details. Anand, now Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is leading the protest at the parliament right now, yet another day when the opposition has once again come together to protest against the Bihar SIR while the monsoon session of the parliament continues.
Yes, Simran, look, the opposition has been adamant on its demand that there should be a detailed discussion on the special intensive revision of the voter rolls in parliament. So clearly, once again today when all the opposition members reached the parliament, first opposition leaders had a detailed meeting there in the chamber of Mallikarjun Kharge, and then they came near the Makar Dwar of parliament and they staged a protest over the SIR exercise that is being carried out in Bihar. So clearly, the opposition is not giving any chance to the government as they are making pressure on it so that there should be a discussion in the parliament in both houses especially, and even earlier in the day several of the opposition members had given adjournment business notices so that they could discuss the SIR exercise which they are alleging as daylight docketing of the votes in Bihar and as well as vote bandi. So clearly the lakhs of voters who have been removed from the voter rolls, the opposition is alleging that this is a way to remove the eligible voters from the voter roll just ahead of the crucial assembly polls, and thus they are alleging that the government is not ready to hold discussion on the same. And even yesterday India bloc members had tried to march to the election commission from parliament, however they were stopped as election commission had given permission to only 30 MPs, whereas more than 200 MPs were there in the march who were then later detained, and they all said that they want a detailed discussion on the SIR exercise. However, the government was not ready. Back to you, Simran.